What's up, my peeps? I'm super happy and thanks for stopping over. Welcome on board. Today, as the title indicates, we are making a super chocolate coconut bars, and man, this recipe is super awesome. You need to try this, so keep it locked.
Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a lot, I keep the water in my shorty bag. No, she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she loves toys.
So today's recipe, it will be very easy, and we are going to use the simple ingredients. So we are going to go in with some 2 cups of milk. Then later on we're going to add some white sugar, that is 1 cup. After that we are going to cover it for some time and leave it to boil, and you need to be careful so to avoid it splitting out. So once the mixture is boiled, just give it an extra stir just to make sure all the sugars dissolve in, and then we are going to go in with our coconut flakes. I used a kg, so just dip it in, then give it a complete stir. So here guys, just keep on stirring and adding in the coconut flakes until you get to the right to the right mixture that we are looking for. So while doing this part, just ensure your heat is on the medium to avoid it burning. So while doing this is the part now we are going to go in with our thick cream, that is the whipping cream that we normally use it for decoration of the cakes. So for me, I'd used 125 ml, that is like just 1 sachet, the one that you're seeing there.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a lot, I keep the water in my shorty bag. No, she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy.
So cook until the mixture is hold up. Yeah, just completely hold up. Then after that we are going to keep it aside to give it room and time for it to cool a bit. Then we are going to start the molding. So if you like my content, just kindly click the like button, comment, and also you can subscribe if you find this interesting. Here we go. So these are chocolate bars. and chop them into reasonable pieces to easen up the process of melting it. So for me, I'd use this procedure. It's very easy. Just took a large sufuria, then I put some water, that is hot water. Then I took another sufuria, a small one, I added on the top. So as you can see, my chocolate has just started melting up, and that is whatever I'm looking for. That is one of the process for melting chocolate. I don't know which procedure you're going to use, but here we're just trying to melt the chocolate. As you can see, it took me less than 10 minutes for the mixture to boil, to melt, sorry. So that is our melted chocolate. So after there, we are going to set aside the mixture that we were preparing earlier. So we will just keep it for some time to cool. Then or you can refrigerate it for let's say 1 hour. Then after that, you are going to start making the portions, that is the chocolate bar. So it will depend with the shape that you are looking for. So for me, I decided to go with the rectangular ones on the bowl, the round ones.
Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking eat like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, blow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass.
So we're almost done. So on this part, we're just going to cut them with the chocolate mixed. So just be gentle when you're doing this. Or the tricks here, if you want to easen up your work, just use 2 forks. It's going to be a very, very nice aid in your mixture. So just place it aside and just repeat the process. And after there, we are going to keep them in the freezer for overnight, or it will depend. Even for like 2 hours is enough. It's enough for you, but for me, I just decided to keep it overnight. So that's it. I hope you guys are enjoying this recipe. So please minimize all the subscription and the likes and the comments. I'll really appreciate, man. We are on the road to 500 subs. So, and I know I believe in you guys. Are going to share my content. They're going to give it justice. Thank you.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay mad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking eat like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, floating demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the bottle in my shorty bag. Know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, I ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit.
So after storing overnight in the freezer by use of our wet napkins, just tap on the top to remove the excess moisture, and you all know we are ready. Our chocolate bars are ready to serve, and make sure you enjoy them. And for the storage, just use a completely airtight container and enjoy your chocolate bars for the rest of the week. So did you see the way it's very simple? So thank you for keeping it locked, and see you next week on the next one. Thank you.
Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Working with niggas that's toting up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean?